Okay, so you know how you have every intention of filming something and then you get stuck. Well, not necessarily stuck, but you get deep into a project. That's what happened to me today. Let me show you. Go. That's what I did today. I got that bad boy running. It hasn't ran in about 4 years. Changed all the filters, changed the gas and the oil. The only thing that I didn't do was change the belt. And let me tell you, some redneck ingenuity. The engaging handle broke. I'm telling you, where there's a will, there's a way. Yep. So I'm actually proud of myself for getting that sucker running. And it's chirping. I don't know if that's a word. What would you call that? How it sounds when it's running. Putting.
Yeah.
It's putting. I can't pull the cord anymore, so I'm gonna have to get Roy out here I'm gonna have to get Dadslayer out here to pull the cord. So, okay, but I know it's trying to kick over. Oh, and the spark plug's new. So it's trying to kick over. It just won't stay running. So we'll see what we can do. I mean, it's running, but it's not running. So somebody that can play with the choke while I'm holding it up, because my redneck ingenuity has it already engaged, because I had to pull that wire up a little bit. So yeah, it's a little dangerous, but how else are you gonna live? Alrighty. I am actually proud of myself. That is an accomplishment for today.
Woo!
Okay. Something will go.
Gosh! Get up here. Up.
The only thing that I didn't check was that belt, and that belt's not going to prevent it. She's not doing this to me.
The hospital's closed. We've already had a trip in last week. I'm not about that life. I'm not playing this game.
I'll bring it back. No, I won't. No. I'll see you on the next video. Okay then.